In the bustling marketplace of Marrakesh, beneath the vibrant awnings, lived a young rug weaver named Amina. Her creations were renowned for their intricate patterns and rich colors, a testament to her meticulous skill. Yet Amina's heart felt heavy. Her mother, Fatima, fell ill, and Amina struggled to balance tending to her ailing mother and weaving the rugs their family depended on. One scorching afternoon, a wealthy merchant approached Amina's stall. He admired her rugs, particularly a breathtaking depiction of a desert oasis. "This one," he declared, "I will pay double your usual price. But there's a condition." Amina's heart leaped. Double the price would allow her to hire help for her mother. "What is your condition?" "Deliver this rug to my palace at dawn tomorrow," the merchant said, a sly glint in his eye. Amina's stomach lurched. Delivering the rug at dawn meant leaving before dawn prayers, a time she spent with her mother. But the money? Torn between duty and desperation, Amina sought guidance from Imam Jalal, a wise and respected leader in their community. She poured out her worries, tears welling in her eyes. Imam Jalal listened patiently, then asked, "Amina, who has nurtured you since you were a babe?" Amina, her voice thick with emotion, replied, "My mother, Fatima." "And who has sacrificed for you, ensured your well-being, and instilled in you the skill that creates such beauty?" "My mother, of course." The Imam smiled gently. "Remember, Amina, true wealth lies not just in gold but in the love and devotion between a mother and child. What good is wealth if it comes at the cost of neglecting your most precious bond?" Amina's heart echoed the Imam's words. The answer, she realized, had been within her all along. With newfound clarity, she returned to the merchant. "I cannot accept your offer," Amina declared, her voice firm. The merchant sputtered, bewildered. "But the price?" "My mother's love is priceless," Amina countered, her head held high. The merchant, taken aback by her conviction, eventually relented, buying a smaller rug. Amina spent the night caring for her mother, the worry replaced by a comforting peace. That morning, a different merchant, impressed by Amina's story, purchased the oasis rug for an even higher price, enough to hire help and buy precious medicine for Fatima. News of Amina's unwavering devotion to her mother spread like wildfire. Soon, customers flocked to her stall, not just for the rugs, but for the story of a daughter who chose love over wealth. Amina's act became a cherished reminder in their community, echoing the Prophet's teachings: "A mother's love is a wellspring that deserves our deepest devotion."